Today is Saturday, Kate's first day trying rice cereal. She's been watching Mommy and Daddy eat our cereal, so we figured we would try. And she licks it off the spoon. She's trying to get it. Not too sure about the texture. Huh. It's nummies. She's licking the spoon. Yeah, nummy nummies. Is that a good bib? Yeah.
So I gotta wipe off my chin.
You wanna try this somewhere? You gotta put your bib down, honey, so we can eat our nummy nummies. Kinda. She's taking it. It's so sad my baby's growing up. Oh. Look at her, she's reaching out for it. Nummies, huh? Is that nummies?
Now you can wipe your face.
What do you think, honey? Look, see the spoon? She goes after it. I just set it there and she tries to reach for it. Do you like it? It's good, huh? You say we tried it. We liked it.
Yum.
Nom nom nom. It's a proud moment but a sad moment. My baby's growing up.